Good morning, everybody. It's I think Monday morning, and been on my way to Cagayan de Oro to go to the Bureau of Immigration and apply for permanent residence. On the way here last night, we ran into a tropical depression and had massive flooding. There was one time I drove through an area that the water was over the hood of the car. Didn't think we was gonna make it across it. Thought that was it. And finally made it through several flooding places. We were trapped in between two flood zones for a little while. Finally got free of that and we're headed out, and then there was a massive mudslide. And while we were parked waiting for them to clear out an area to be able to drive through for the mudslide, all of a sudden rocks started coming down on our car here, and there was another mudslide happening. We had to get out of there to avoid that. Finally crossed over. They cleared the path just enough. It was pretty muddy and rough. Almost got stuck going through the mudslide, but made it through that. And we stayed at some little room. You can get rooms for $3 a room, and it's about the size of a small bathroom, just big enough to lay down flat. My head touched one wall, my feet touched the other. Excuse me, I got hiccups. And slept a few hours. Got up this morning, and now we're gonna try to head back out. We're in Iligan, and still a couple of hours. And yes, sir.
You drive now?
Oh yeah, I'll drive now. So anyway, we're about to trudge on, and hopefully there's all the mudslides have been cleared out, and there's no more flooding. We'll see.